Okay, here is the latest and greatest project. This involves a 3D printed case, 3D printed keycaps, and an ESP32. So this is a generic switch box that allows you to use switches to complete any task you want or to control any task you want. It is ESP32 based with a custom firmware that publishes to an MQTT topic, and its whole goal is to map things. The topic right now is mapped to Homebridge using a MQTT thing stateless switch to turn on and off the lights. So let's demo it. Let's turn the light off. Let's turn the light on. Off, on. This is great. On. 3D printed, ESP32 inside with Cherry MX switches. Thanks for watching.